Imagine it's December 31st, 2025, and you're celebrating the year of your life. Your finances are booming. You're in the best shape you've ever been, and you're surrounded by people who inspire you to aim higher. Sounds amazing? Here's the best part. This dream is absolutely within reach. In this guide, I'm going to share actionable steps that transform my life and will do the same for you. Number 1. Quiet the noise and trust your inner wisdom. Let's address the one thing killing your potential: noise. From social media feeds to advertisements and even well-meaning friends, everyone is telling you who you should be and what you should want. This endless bombardment drowns out the most important voice, your own. I used to waste hours comparing myself to others online, feeling paralyzed by their seemingly perfect lives. Then I decided to carve out time each day for silence. No phone, no distractions, just me and my thoughts. At first, it was uncomfortable, but over time, I started asking myself the right questions. What do I truly want? Am I pursuing goals I love or ones that impress others? These moments of clarity gave my life direction. Challenge. Block out an hour tomorrow for just yourself. Bring a journal and be brutally honest in answering. What matters most to you? Quiet the noise, and you'll unlock unparalleled focus and clarity. Number 2. Identify your path. Once you've silenced the external noise, it's time to define where you're headed. Too many people fail here by trying to do everything at once, improving finances, fitness, relationships, and more simultaneously. Focus creates power. In 2020, my primary goal was to generate $100,000 in revenue. I broke it down into actionable steps: how many clients I needed, what I would sell, and how I would deliver value. This laser focus didn't just improve my business. It elevated every area of my life, from fitness to relationships. Action step. Choose one major goal for 2025. Write it down, define it clearly, and visualize what success will feel like. This clarity will become your compass. Number 3. Pursue relentless action. Here's the harsh truth. Waiting for the perfect moment will keep you stuck forever. You'll never feel 100% ready, but momentum starts with action. When I began growing my business, my website was basic, my pitch was clunky, and I had no roadmap. But I took the first steps, sending emails, making offers, and learning on the go. Action taught me more than planning ever could. Failures became lessons, and lessons fueled growth. Challenge. Take one small, imperfect step today toward your goal. Whether it's sending a message to a potential mentor or doing a quick workout, just start. Action kills fear. Number 4. Build momentum through consistency. Consistency beats intensity every time. Success isn't about grand gestures. It's about small, consistent habits that compound over time. When I committed to fitness, I didn't try to overhaul my routine. I started with 30-minute workouts daily. Some days were great. Others, I barely made it. But I showed up every day. Within 6 months, the transformation was undeniable in both my body and my discipline. Pro tip. Break your goal into bite-sized daily habits. For instance, if your goal is financial growth, make it a habit to reach out to 3 people daily. Simple, consistent actions will build unstoppable momentum. Number 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment shapes your future. Are the people in your life pushing you forward or pulling you back? Energy is contagious, and the wrong circle will drain yours. I made the tough decision to distance myself from people who weren't aligned with my vision. Instead, I sought out individuals who were where I wanted to be. Their focus and drive rubbed off on me, inspiring me to dream bigger and work harder. Challenge. Audit your circle today. List the 5 people you spend the most time with. If they're not encouraging your growth, seek out new connections. Join online communities, attend events, or follow inspiring mentors. You are the average of the people you spend time with. Choose wisely. Number 6. Master your energy. To achieve big goals, you need the energy to perform consistently. Start by prioritizing your physical and mental well-being. This means eating clean, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and finding practices that recharge your mind, such as meditation or hobbies. Take action. Establish a morning routine that energizes you for the day ahead. It could include a workout, journaling, or just 10 minutes of mindfulness. Build your energy to build your life. Number 7. Celebrate small wins. The journey to success can feel overwhelming if you only focus on the end goal. Recognizing and celebrating small achievements along the way keeps motivation high and reinforces positive behavior. Practical tip: each week, write down one thing you accomplished, no matter how small. Reflecting on progress fuels perseverance. Number 8. Embrace lifelong learning. The most successful people never stop learning. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or attending workshops, continual self-improvement is key. Action step: dedicate 20 minutes daily to learning something that aligns with your goal. Knowledge sharpens your edge and prepares you for new opportunities. Think about this. What would it mean to wake up every day feeling proud of the life you're building? This isn't just wishful thinking. With these steps, it's your future. Number 7. Celebrate small wins. The journey to success can feel overwhelming if you only focus on the end goal. Recognizing and celebrating small achievements along the way keeps motivation high and reinforces positive behavior. Practical tip: each week, write down one thing you accomplished, no matter how small. Reflecting on progress fuels perseverance. Number 8. Embrace lifelong learning. The most successful people never stop learning. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or attending workshops, continual self-improvement is key. Action step: dedicate 20 minutes daily to learning something that aligns with your goal. Knowledge sharpens your edge and prepares you for new opportunities. Think about this. What would it mean to wake up every day feeling proud of the life you're building? This isn't just wishful thinking. With these steps, it's your future. Number 9. Create a system to monitor progress. Success isn't just about setting goals. It's about tracking them. If you're not regularly checking in on your progress, you risk veering off track. Start by breaking your big goal into smaller milestones, then set up a system to measure them. This could be as simple as weekly check-ins with a journal or as detailed as using productivity apps and spreadsheets. For example, if your focus is improving finances, track your savings rate, debt repayment, or income growth each month. If your aim is fitness, log your workouts and measurements weekly. The act of monitoring serves two purposes. It keeps you accountable and shows you how far you've come, which is a powerful motivator. Here's the key: don't obsess over perfection. Some weeks will be harder than others. Use setbacks as lessons and recalibrate where necessary. When you monitor progress consistently, every small win becomes fuel to keep you going. Number 10. Prioritize your health as a cornerstone of success. Health isn't just about looking good. It's the foundation of every achievement you're working towards. Without physical and mental energy, progress in any other area becomes almost impossible. A sharp mind needs a well-fueled body. Prioritize sleep by aiming for at least 7 hours each night. Sleep is your body's reset button. Fuel yourself with a balanced diet, emphasizing whole foods over processed ones. Move your body daily, even if it's just a brisk 20-minute walk. And just as important, take care of your mental well-being through practices like meditation, journaling, or even unplugging from social media for an afternoon. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. By investing in your health, you're building the resilience and energy you'll need to sustain your momentum. Number 11. Adopt the growth mindset in all areas of life. The way you perceive challenges determines whether they will push you forward or hold you back. People with a growth mindset see obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow, whereas a fixed mindset leads to giving up or self-doubt when faced with difficulty. Embrace challenges as feedback rather than failure. Didn't land a client? Think about what you can improve for next time. Stalled in your fitness journey? Maybe it's time to change your approach and seek guidance from an expert. Growth mindset requires you to ask, what can I learn from this? And then act on the answer. Train yourself to celebrate effort as much as results. By shifting your focus to continuous improvement, you become someone who welcomes progress and thrives in adversity. Growth isn't a destination. It's an identity you build through practice. Number 12. Celebrate your wins to build confidence. Big or small, every victory deserves acknowledgement. Most people are so focused on what they haven't achieved, yet that they forget to celebrate how far they've come. But when you take time to recognize your progress, it reinforces your sense of accomplishment and motivates you to keep going. Celebrating doesn't mean you throw a party for every small milestone. Although you could, it might look like treating yourself to a nice dinner, taking a day off, or simply reflecting on your achievements during your quiet time. A gratitude journal can be a powerful tool for this. Jot down 3 things you're proud of each week. The act of celebrating rewires your brain to see success as a pattern, making future wins feel attainable and inevitable. Don't underestimate the power of taking pride in what you've done. It can be the fuel that propels you toward even greater achievements. These 12 steps are your blueprint for a transformative 2025. Start today. Write down your main goal for this year, define one immediate action, and commit to showing up consistently. Success is within your reach. All it takes is relentless focus and action. Don't let 2025 be another year of missed opportunities. Join our community by subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with someone who needs this. Together, let's crush this year and every year after it.